Good day, everyone. Learn how to remove any email account from Outlook. I'll tell you the easiest way to do so. So, open your Outlook, and let's say if I want to remove this email, I have to, and I want to remove this one. So, what I'll do is, whenever I'll hover the cursor, you will find the three dots next to it. It is especially for Windows 11 Outlook. So, when I will click on that, it will give me an option to click on manage account, and I will click on manage account. And here you will find your emails, and whatever the email account which you want to remove, you just need to click on manage on that. And here you will find to set as a primary account or remove. So I'll click on remove, and I'll say remove from all device or remove from this device. So I'll select remove from this device, and I'll click on OK, and I have successfully removed the email account, the Gmail account from Outlook. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.